What's up, guys? Welcome back to Road to the 2 Comic Club, and I literally just turned on the TV. You can hear the static still. NASDAQ going on a 10-day streak, and man, I so wish that we could have been on a 10-day streak too, but oh well. So what's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day, great morning so far. I just got out of bed like about an hour ago, showered, got ready. I went to bed at like 2 a.m., so I didn't get up till like 8:30. So I missed the opening bell, but I did check my phone, saw that the stocks were doing pretty well, and so let's log in and see how we're doing. Alright, well, looks like we were down a little bit. I actually kind of peaked earlier this morning, and we were up, and now we are down. So I'm trying to see what is going on. But check out Ferrari, though. Look at that. They were up 90% earlier, now they're up 87.5%, which is still insane. And I looked at their stock, and they're only up like less than 2%, which is kind of a really big gap between the stock and the options. So that's just crazy. But we are down, and it looks like Domino's Pizza and Universal Display are dragging us down pretty good. So yeah, Domino's Pizza, I really like them, obviously, but I think I might have picked too high of a strike, and that is kind of causing my options to lose value a little bit too quick because, I don't know, that's just what I think right now. Oh, I just saw it. I'm going to check their chart just to see if they're still doing well. So let's look at their, I don't want to film too much, but yeah, they're still doing well. They had a couple rocky months here and there, but the overall trend is up. And so, there's their 5-year. So you can see their overall trend is still up. So I think I'm still going to hold on to it for a bit. But, today's just a bad day for them. But yeah, so I got to do some editing. I'm going to go to the library early. I have to tutor 2 people today, but they're kind of spread apart. So I'm just going to go to the library, hang out, edit, and get some lunch in the middle of that. And then we'll just check back in the afternoon and see how we did. What's up, guys? It is 7:20 p.m. So the market's obviously closed, and we just squeaked out a win today, so I'm super excited. Let's check it out, see how we did. So yeah, we finished yesterday at 119, 300 something. So seeing the 120, I know that we did finish up today, so I was really excited about that because we were like at 118 for most of the day, but just squeaked by at the end. But check out Ferrari, 100% gain today. I am in shock because their stock did do well today. Let me show you. They're on the front page of the watch list. But still, it's not the type of gain you would have expected to push an option up 100%. So that is really kind of strange. Not really understanding why it did that. Because even when Netflix jumped up like however much it was the other day, like 15% or something crazy like that, our option didn't even go up that high. As high as 100%. It was still up high, but it wasn't 100%. So it's kind of weird that Ferraris went up so much. But hey, I am not complaining at all. And check out Logitech too. I don't know what's going on with them. Maybe they reported good earnings. Let me check my widget app real quick. Okay, so I'm not seeing very many recent articles that are saying really good things about it. Like they're just kind of regular stuff. Although July 12th, there was an article that said Logitech acquires Astro Gaming, forays into the console market. Okay. Our headline says, yeah, they bought video game headset maker Astro for $85 million. So maybe some still headwinds are coming from that. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I'll have to look into that some more. But maybe, I don't know. So anyways, let's move on here. EA Sports had a good day, 9%, and then Tesla had another good day. So yeah, Tesla's getting closer and closer to delivering their Model 3s, their first Model 3s, and so that's going to be doing very well soon, I anticipate. Domino's Pizza, Universal Display were our big losers today. But am I worried about them? Not really. Domino's Pizza is still just killing it in the pizza game. Universal Display is like the future of the display game, so they're still in really, really good positions right now. So yeah, we made $735 even. Let me quickly show you the watch list so you can just look at some of these stocks real quick. Do here, do there. I honestly was tutoring most of the day, and so I haven't really been reading anything. So I don't know what's going on with the news. So I'm just going to kind of quickly scroll through these. If you want to pause the video and look at them. But yeah, these were our big. Oh, I did read an article about Ferrari, and I'll talk about that in a second. Let me get my phone camera back on here. All right, so with Ferrari, I read an article that one analyst or one guy who has his own investment firm or something said that he thinks Ferrari is moving too high too fast, and now he thinks it's overvalued. Before, when it IPO'd and it went down, he thought it was undervalued. So he bought in at $31 and he sold at $90. He thinks it's going to come back in the future, but I don't know. He's done 14% the first half of this year with his model, and we did well over 100. So I mean, I'm really not going to take his word that seriously yet, because I still think Ferrari can go up a lot. But he might have some points, so I'm not going to be I'm not going to get a big head about it. I'm still going to take his word and analyze what he's saying and determine whether it's good or not. So I might be looking to, maybe place a stop order on the Ferrari call after today. I mean, 100% gain was huge in one day. But I still think Ferrari can go up in the future. So again, I'm long-term. I don't invest in short-term. I invest in really, really long-term. So I can handle a $10 dip in the stock price. As long as it goes up eventually, I'm okay with that. So anyways, that's really all I read. I haven't read much with everything else. I'm just really excited about Tesla. And so I hope you guys are excited about that too. I did see a video that Atlanta, this is interesting news, interesting fact. Atlanta was the 5th state to legalize self-driving, full autonomous driving, which means that if you have a fully autonomous car like a Tesla that can drive itself and it's registered with the state of Georgia, why did I say Atlanta? Georgia is the 5th state. But if you register your Tesla with them, you don't actually need a valid driver's license, which is just really crazy. And I think that's one really, really good step towards the future, because so many people die in auto deaths every year. To have a car that can drive itself and be way more safe than a human driver, I think it's going to save so many lives, and I think it's awesome. But yeah, so you don't actually need a valid driver's license. I think that's really cool. You can have a Tesla, you can drive around with it, you can be in the car, in the steering wheel, but you don't need a driver's license to operate it. So I think that's really cool. What are you guys' thoughts about that? Please comment in the comment section below. We'll make that the question of the day. And having said that, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to get some work done, have some dinner, and then we'll be back at it tomorrow. So until then, hope you guys have a great evening.